Got a minute to learn something new about smartwatches? Just a reminder, we have a whole playlist of these tips which you can reach at this address, and a lot of goodies are waiting for you in a Google Drive at the Smartwatch Resource Center here. Your 1 minute begins now. There's something that just about everybody does after they unpack their brand new watch, charge it up, turn it on, they attempt to set the time. But sometimes that isn't possible. It's because a lot of these watches, the time and date will automatically set when you tether it to your phone. So in the show notes of the reviews of each of these watches is a link to the Google Play Store to download one of the many tethering apps, the one unique one that works with each of these watches. Do that, tether to the phone, your language will be set, your time and your date will be set. Now, if you're on an Android watch, there's a special little evil you may confront where the time is set when you get on Wi-Fi on your network, but it might be off an hour or so. Well, here's a fix for that. Go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, go all the way down to Date and Time. When you're in Date and Time, turn off the automatic time zone. Scroll down to Select Time Zone. It'll probably be in Hong Kong somewhere. Scroll until you find your time zone, Tijuana. Select it, and you're good to go. When you come back to the watch face, the time will be set perfectly. That's the trick.